These are the spellings for Year 2 this week. The spelling rule is the S sound, spelt with C before E, I and Y. Race. I came first in the race. Ice. The ice is in the freezer. Ice. Cell. You can find a cell inside the plant. Cell. City. London is a busy city. City. Face. You have a pretty face. Face. Space. Plants need lots of space to grow. Space. Circle. Can you draw a circle? Circle. Spicy. The curry is so spicy. Spicy. Because. Year 2 are the best because we work hard. Because. Children. There are lots of children in the class. Children. Good luck, Year 2.